Hello and welcome. My name is Ben. I have been a Kenyan leathersmith since 2018. I will be walking you through this tutorial on how to burnish and get that crisp leather edge finish in a Kenyan style. The biggest challenge as a Kenyan leathersmith would be achieving that professional edge finish, that smooth edge finish, the one so common with our Japanese and other foreign counterparts but so elusive to most of us. In this video, we will teach you how to burnish and slick your leather edges with locally available tools. You won't need Amazon for this, I promise. First things first, let us go through our checklist. 1. Okida burnishing gum. 2. Wooden slicker. 3. Sandpaper. 4. Leather edge beveler. 5. Cutting knife. 6. Piece of leather. 7. Leather edge applicator. 8. Piece of damp cloth. 'Now that we have everything needed, let us get started. First, ensure the leather hedge is in the correct shape and has a smooth finish without any dentition. It should also be well beveled. Now prepare and apply glue to surfaces that need joining. The next thing is to wet the leather edge slightly and using a damp piece of cloth, polish it in the same direction you did earlier while sandpapering. This forces oils and fats from the leather to come on the surface and start binding the fibers together, making it appear smooth. You can now apply a thin layer of burnishing gum. Take your wooden edge slicker tool and slick the edge in the same direction as you did earlier. When it gets dry, slicking becomes difficult, so add some more gum to it and continue slicking. Once you finish slicking, take the dump cloth and give it a slight touch-up, ensuring it is as smooth as possible and no fibers are protruding. Use the leather edge applicator to apply a thick layer of the burnishing gum on now the edge. Ensure the liquid is smooth and covers the whole area evenly. Hang the leather out to dry for about 15 minutes. You can clean your applicator as it gums dries up and harden. It is critical to do this final step immediately after the gum dries up and before it completely cures. Using the same dump cloth you used earlier, give a slight polish to smoothen out anywhere the gum didn't dry up well or left dentations. Be careful not to remove all the burnishing gum from the surface since it has not fully cured. Congratulations! Your edge is now finished and ready. A world-class edge. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with those who need it. It will not only mean a lot to me, but it will also help uplift many Kenyan leathersmiths struggling. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comment section. This way, we can all learn together. We promise to answer all questions as soon as possible. If you need any of the tools used in this video, we have shared links in the description on where to get them locally and have them delivered to you within hours. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.